Ladies and gentlemen, let me greet you again in the name of Okest Life's benefits. In here, you are sure to earn, of course, in 10 ways. What do I mean? You are to earn through retail profit, automatic income, sponsor bonus, fast return bonus, development bonus, cooperative, sales, leadership, honorary, as well as the special awards. All of these are the incentives of which are being put in place to ensure that your work is being paid off. You are also having, of course, the advantages of having to double your returns, the advantages of having to benefit from your downliners in as much as your sponsors. What do we mean? And then how do you go about becoming a member? You will recall that in a previous video, I had explained how to go about becoming a member. So what do I mean? When you become a member, remember it is compulsory for you to have a membership package of 15E, which is Okest. That means, of course, from there, once you have got 15 USD, you will therefore have to choose between the four packages, which of course are the products packages. It's either you are to go for the Golden VIP, that of course will give you the business volumes of 150, which only costs $250, or you will go for the Platinum VIP, which will give you 250 business volumes, which only cost 420 USD. This, of course, we are talking about the first orders, of which, of course, you bought at once, not the second offers, but the first offers upon you becoming a member. So, or you is either you can opt for the Diamond VIP, which will give you 750 business volumes that only cost 1,250 USD, or you can go for the big one that I recommend most, which is of course Crown VIP, that will give you 2,000 of course business volumes, which only cost 340. So leaders, you are to earn from the retail profit. This means from the stock which you will have purchased, every product that you will be selling, it will give you 20% commission. What do I mean? Remember, when you are part of us, you buy not of course on a consumer's price, but rather on a discounted price, on a distribution price. This means, of course, if ever you are to buy about 20 bottles or box, from that particular 20 bottles, if ever the box cost of course 100 in a way USD, you are going to buy it at 80 USD. This means you are already benefiting 20% profit from it. So that is just easy as it is. Or you can go for automatic bonus. Immediately once you are a member of us, you are going to be benefiting for automatic income. This one you only start to benefit from it when you are a VIP member. Remember, to become a VIP member, you either purchase golden, platinum, diamond, or crown. So from it, you are going to be benefiting 0.5 business volumes per layers, of course, of which the maximum cap depends upon the type of the membership which you had opted for. If ever you had opted for the golden, the maximum cap for you of automatic income will be 10K. If ever you have opted for platinum, it will be 100K. If it's diamond, it will be 150K. If it's crown, it will be 200K of business volumes. So from this, it is calculated based on your downliners. If ever you have got about 2 downliners, automatically you are falling within first layer. If you have got in a way about 6 of downliners, you are falling within second of course layers. so forth like that up until it ripple effect to the layer 20. Wherefore, that's how much, of course, you are to make. So, we also have the sponsor bonus. This means whenever or the minute you become VIP, you are going to be benefiting 20% for every person whom you introduce and they join or they buy a package, of course, that of course makes them to become VIP. So for you to get to understand this, it is easier. The sponsor bonus, when you sponsor me, you get to benefit something immediately. When of course you invite me, you get to benefit 20% from the invite that you had made to me. This 20%, if ever of course I had purchased a membership for Crown, it means I'll be benefiting 20% of that particular membership. If ever I had purchased a membership for Platinum, I'll be benefiting such. Okay, for example, here they had given you a golden card VIP, which of course, when you are in a way to recruit 2 platinum VIPs, you are going to be benefiting. Remember, platinum VIPs gives you 250 business volumes. It means you will be benefiting the 100 business volume, that which of course is 20% of 500. I hope you get it. Same applies to golden, to diamonds, so forth like that. This is a pure math. There is also what we call a fast return bonus. This fast return bonus means that you are going to be benefiting in the same flow or in the same layer. The first member who joined on the left and the first member who joined on the right, after they qualify as VIPs, they get fast return bonus from the smaller VIP. What do we mean when we say this? Okay, guys, you need to recall that. Let's assume you had joined on a golden, which of course makes you to be having the accumulative of 150 business volumes, and then you have got about another person whom joined on the left, whom joined on the right, for the very same amount of your VIP, and then also another one joins, same applies by another one. This means you will had already multiplied your bonus, like you will have the return of the exact amount of how much you had joined on a membership. Let me go to the Crown. Say you are a Crown, you had invited about 2 of course guys who are in a way the Crown, who joins on a Crown, and another one who joins on a Crown, and then that particular person invites someone who joins on a Crown, whereas another person invites another person who joins on a Crown. This means it will give you back your money, like what you had invested in initially, you will get it back. It is just easy as it is. We've got the development bonus. The development bonus, you are to earn it from the golden, and then this of course is a weekly sailing, of which you get to accumulate it daily, but you get to make it on a weekly sailing basis. So what do we mean? When of course you are golden, you will be benefiting 8% of development bonus. When you are platinum, 9%, and then when of course you are diamond, 10%. When you are crown, you will be benefiting 12%. So this will be benefiting it based on the recruits which of course you had brought on board, and then the sailing or the cap which of course is there depends upon the business volumes. If ever you had brought about, let me just give an example on a golden on a golden membership. Say someone is on a golden membership and then they had invited someone who joined on a crown. It means that they are sailing already, it is 1000 PVs. It is 1000 PVs. They had already met their sailing, and then they will get 8% of that particular sailing. I hope I am clear. If ever you are a platinum, your sailing will be, of course, 2,000, and then you will get 9% of that particular 2,000 business volume. So you get to benefit from the development bonus on your weaker leg. On your weaker leg. If ever, of course, this week on your right, 2 people had joined, while on your left, only 1 person joined, that's where you are going to be benefiting, because that is the weaker leg on it. So, as and when I had explained about this development bonus, I think like it makes sense. Like my retaliation is that on your weaker leg, that's when you are to benefit. Weaker leg, it means today I had invited about, let me just say 6 in overall, or 5 overall. Having invited 5, I've decided to put 3 on my right hand, while 2 on my left hand. It means when the week, of course, is to lapse, you will get to benefit development bonus from your left, which of course you invited 2 of VIPs. And then it will depend upon the type of membership which you had joined with. You will get a particular person on it. If ever it was platinum, it will be 9%. If ever it was crown, you will benefit 12% of it. Cooperation, guys, like as it entails, we cooperate. This one is where you get to benefit 10% from the person whom invited you. You get to benefit 20% from the people who are your direct recruit, your first generation, and you get to benefit 20% from the recruits of your recruits, while you benefit 5% from the recruits of your recruits of your recruits, which is your third generation. I believe it is easy as it says. I love cooperation bonus because like this is what we talk about, the mutual benefit. Not only do you benefit, but you benefit also from your sponsor. If your sponsor is doing well, you also get to have commission from them. If ever you do well, they get to make commission from you. This like is what we told you about, to say that your success is our success. So I had explained it, guys. It is simpler. Okay, for me to just clarify it, say you are A in a way, and then you get to recruit B, C, and U. Okay, let's assume A is your sponsor. This A invited B, C, and this is you. So if that is the case, what you need to recall is that you will benefit 10% from A, because this is your sponsor, and then from, of course, your downliners. From your downliners, this is you, which is D and E. You are going to benefit 20%, and F and G, you are going to benefit 10%. H and J, you are going to benefit 5%. Sales bonus, guys, this now goes with the rank. When you are just mere VIP, you are going to be benefiting 25%. When you are first star, you will be benefiting 33%. Second star, 40%. Third star, 45%. 4-star, 50%. 5-star, 50%. Leader as above, 50%. And then there are also requirements for you to maintain these, of course, benefits, of which, of course, on a monthly basis you have to be paying at least, like, or be buying the products that accumulates or that are equals to the business volumes that, of course, are being written here. If ever you are VIP, you have to buy like products that, of course, at least has got the business volumes of 10. First star of 10, second star of 20, third star 30 on a monthly basis, to maintain, to benefit from this, of course, percentage. But one thing for sure, remember, you will never downgrade. You will, even if ever you don't pay that, you might not benefit from it, but you will still remain on your position. So there is leadership bonus. This one you start to benefit from it when you are a 4-star VIP. So you are to benefit it on the rank. Like if ever, to some extent, you are on a 4-star VIP, this is your rank, right? You will benefit 10%. And from people who are on the 4-star VIP, that falls within you. If ever you are 5-star, you will benefit as well 10% from the 5 stars that are under you. Golden leader, you will benefit both 10, let me just say 15% from 2 ranks, of course. You will benefit from 2 ranks that, of course, are on the same level with you. Like, same applies, guys. It just ripples until it gets to the chairman. Wherefore, you know that now when you are a chairman, you just have to relax. When you are director or diamond, you have to relax because that's where money will be popping in. Honorary bonus, this one as well, guys, it is so much simpler. So, when of course you are a golden leader, you will be honored 1% of every person whom had joined, of course, the Okest Life. You'll be benefiting this because you are a golden leader. When you are, remember, golden leader is not golden membership. Do not confuse this. Golden is a rank, while golden as well, it is in a way a package. So when you are a golden leader, meaning that you are above 5-star VIP, you will start to benefit 1% from, of course, everyone who joins Okest Life. This means you will also be bound to maintain your position or your revenue by having to buy the products, which of course cost 100 business volumes. When you are platinum, you will be benefiting because remember, now when you are platinum, you are getting even much more. You will be getting 0.75. When you are diamond, 0.50. When you are honorary, you will be getting 0.50. When you are honorary chairman, you will be getting 0.25. The reason why you see them having to be moving from 1 to 0.25 is because of the volume of the downliners, which will be heavy. So guys, now these are special awards that are awaiting for you so long as you are working so very much hard. When you are 1-star VIP, you will get the cosmetic set. This, of course, it means you have to become a 1-star within a month of joining Okest Life. When you are 2nd-star VIP, you will get smartphone. Of course, you have to become that within 1 month of joining Okest Life. When, of course, you are 3-star, you will get international trip. This means you'll only have to benefit it within 6 months of you having joined, of course, the Okest Life. 4-star, you will benefit car award. This, of course, they will give you 10,000 value. In a way, you have to benefit it so long as you are within 1 year having joined Okest Life. The 5-star, you will get, of course, a chance to upgrade your car within a 2 year having becoming, of course, a member of Okest Life. And the platinum will give you, of course, a luxury car. This doesn't have a limit. Same applies when you are a diamond leader. You will get to qualify a house fund worth 200,000. That which, of course, you are not limited as of when you had joined. When you are honorary, you will get to own everything because now here you are in a luxury villa and you will be given 1 million USD. So, guys, what are you waiting for? These are the special awards, and then I know you are very much capable in having to own them. Only you, remember, you are to delay your progress. Only you, remember, you are capable in having to make it. So, start today. Join now.